If you're choosing between the Mechen M30 and the Surfans F20, this isn't just DAP versus DAP. It's modern features versus proven reliability. So which digital audio player is actually better? Let's break it down. Mechen M30 is the newer and more feature-packed option. It offers Bluetooth, a larger screen, USB-C charging, and support for a wide range of lossless audio formats. Many users like it because it feels more modern and gives you more functionality for the price. But here's the catch. Firmware and software polish can be inconsistent, and long-term reliability isn't as proven as some competitors. Surfans F20 takes a simpler approach. It's built around physical buttons, straightforward navigation, and a reputation for solid audio quality. The F20 has developed a loyal following among budget audiophiles because it's easy to use and focuses on music playback rather than extra features. The downside is that the interface feels dated, and the hardware is starting to show its age compared to newer players. So the real difference is this. The Mechen M30 focuses on modern features and convenience, while the Surfans F20 focuses on reliable music playback and simplicity. So which DAP is better? Choose the Mechen M30 if you want Bluetooth, USB-C, and a more modern feature set. Choose the Surfans F20 if you want a simpler, more proven music player with a strong reputation among budget audiophiles. Bottom line, the Surfans F20 is still the safer choice overall because of its reliability, polished user experience, and strong audio reputation. But if modern features like USB-C and improved connectivity matter more to you, the Mechen M30 can offer better value for price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.